Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are good. Children, in the previous video we discussed up to worksheet 4a, right? From that playing with numbers. In this video we are going to discuss the concept from that worksheet 5. Okay, and here worksheet 5 also related to LCM and HCF, and in the same way 4 and 4a also related to LCM and HCF. Some questions they given, no? I think related to GCD they given. In this video they given that related to HCF as well as LCM also there. Okay, let us see here what is the first question. If two tankers contain 1260 liters. If two tankers contains 1260 liters and 1764 liters of water respectively. So here how many tankers are there, ma? Two tankers are there. What is the capacity of that? What is the capacity of first tanker? That is 1260 liters and 1764 liters. That is the capacity of a second tanker. Okay, those two tankers also contain that water. Next, respectively, then the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the water of both the tankers. Okay, same capacity. What is the capacity? Maximum capacity of one of the container. Okay, already here two tankers are there. To bring out that water from the tanker, here one of the container required, right? What is the maximum capacity of the container? That one we need to find out. What is the maximum capacity they are asking? Means that question is related to what is the highest common factor. Maximum capacity, highest common factor they are asking. Okay, so simply this question is related to HCF. So we need to find that HCF of 1260 liters and 1764 liters. Understood, ma? So here 1260, here 1764. So one time, yes or no? Here we will get that 1260. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Understood? 504. Next 1260. Clear, ma? So find out 4 into 2. How much you will get? 2 4s 8, 0, 2 5s 10, 1008. If you will take that into 3, then you will get that more number than that 1260. Understood? So here that's why take that up to 2. So here we will get that 1008. So here this one become as 10 minus 8, which is equals to 2, and here 5, and here 2, 252, and here 504. Okay, once see here ma, 252 into 2. How much you will get here? 2 2s 4, 2 5s 10, 2 2s 4 plus 1 5. So here we got that 504. Understood? That's why 252 into 2 is equals to 504. So 504 minus 504. What we will get here? The remainder is 0. So here we got that remainder as 0. Then what is the divisor here? 252. So here what is the HCF ma here? HCF is 252. So what is the maximum capacity of the container here? What we have to use in ma? That one, the container should be the capacity of 252 liters. Understood? So this is that answer. See here what is the correct option, ma? Option C is correct, that is 252 liters. Understand? Yes. Just you try to write the working of this question. Okay. Let us see that next one. Yes, there are 306 apples. There are 306 apples and 544 oranges. 544 oranges. These fruits are to be arranged in heaps. Arranged in heaps containing the same number of fruits. Heaps means just here take that cartons. Cartons means one of that, just like that boxes. Okay, so in that boxes they kept the 306 apples and 544 oranges with the same number. So what is the maximum number of fruits we can adjust in that heap? Okay, here also they are asking maximum number. So here also we need to find that HCF of, we need to find that HCF of 306 and 544. We need to find the HCF of those two numbers. Now see that 306, 544. Okay, see here ma, 306 into 2, how much you will get here? 2 6 12, 2 0 0 plus 1, 2 3 6, 612. 612 is more than 544. That's why better to go for that one multiple. So again we will get that 306. Now here 14, 3. Okay, 14 minus 6, which is equals to 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Understood? Now 238 become as a divisor. And here what is the dividend? Here the divisor become as dividend. Understood? Now see here, if you will take the 238 into 2, then you will get that the answer which is in 500 plus. So which is more than 306. Okay, that's why better to go for again 1. 238. Now here 16, 9, 2. 16 minus 8, which is 8. 9 minus 3, which is equals to 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, and here 238. Clear ma? Now say that 68 into, better to go for that 4. If it is more, then you better to go for that 3. Okay, just check that. 4 8s 32. 4 6 24, 24 plus 3 27, 272. So 272 is more than 238. That's why better to go for that 68 into 3. 3 8s 24, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20, 204. Understood? That is less than 238, no? So that's why here 68 into 3 is equals to 204. 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 0 is 3. Clear? Still here 34 is there, no ma? So 34 I am taking here, that continuation I am writing, and here 68 is there. So 34 to 68, 0. Understood? Then what is that HCF here? Where we got that remainder as 0? By dividing 68 by 34, then we are getting here 0. 0 as the remainder. Then here what is the HCF? Then here HCF is 34. What is the HCF ma? HCF is 34. Am I clear to you? Yes. Then which option is correct here? Option B is correct, that is 34. Okay? Yes. Next, see that third question. If the LCM of two numbers is 280 and their HCF is 14, then the two numbers are. Just say that what is the relation between LCM and HCF. What is the relation between LCM and HCF ma here? What is the relation? That is LCM into HCF. The product of LCM into HCF, which is equals to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Understand? See here. By observing this relation, here LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So, which option satisfies that one? First we have to check that. No need to check that what is the LCM of those two numbers, what is the LCM of HCF, no need to check like that. Okay, just we have to take the product of given LCM and HCF. After better to go for that through options. Okay, through that options only they are asking questions now here. See that. So, what is that LCM here? LCM is 280 into HCF. HCF is 14. Understood? So, see here. What we will get? 1400. Clear ma? Next 14 8s, which is equals to 112. Okay. Next 14 2s, 28. 28 plus 11. 39. 3920. Okay. What option, which option satisfies that the product of those two numbers should be equals to 3920? Understand ma? So as per this one here, better to check that each and every option. So what is that first option here? First option 70 into 84. 70 into 84. Okay, 400, 4 7s, 7 4s 28. Next 8 zeros 0, 7 8s 56, 0 8 8 5. Okay, this value is not equals to 3920. Yes or no? So that's why this is wrong one. Okay, option A is not satisfying that. Next, option B. Option B, what they given here? 56 into 70. 7 6 are 42. 7 5 is 35 plus 4 39, and here 0 3920. So here also we are getting that 3920, no? So what value satisfying here? 56 into 70, which is equals to 3920. Is it satisfying or not? Okay, option B is satisfying. Option C, what they given here? 42 into 70. 7 2s 14, 7 4s 28 plus 1 29, 2940, but here 3920. That's why here option C also not satisfying. Next, option D. What is that option D here? 70 into 40. Okay, 4 7s 28, and here 2 zeros there, no ma, so that's why here 2 zeros. So this is also not satisfying. Am I clear to you? So as per this one, what is the correct option here? 56 and 70. Then what are those two numbers, ma? 56 and 70. Am I clear to you? Yes. Let us see the next question. The LCM and HCF of two numbers. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 13 and 1989 respectively. If one of the number is 117, then the other number is. Okay, again relation say here. LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Yes or no? So here what is the LCM here? LCM of HCF first they given, no? HCF is 13. What is the LCM? 1989. Always LCM is greater than that HCF, ma. Okay. See here. Don't be confused that, which is equals to product of two numbers. Out of the two numbers already they given one of the number, that is 117. What is the another number? That number we don't know that. Okay. That's why another number, let it be some X. Understand? So as per this one, X is equal to 1989 into 13 by 117. Understood? So as per this one here, cancellations 13 ones 13, 13 nines. Yes or no? 39s 117. Next, is this number divisible by 9 or not? 9 ones 9, and here this one also cancellations possible. 9 2s 18. Still again 18 is there. 9 2s 18. Next 9 ones 9. Understand, ma? So as per this one, X is equals to 221 is that another number. What is another number? That is 221. So which option is correct here? Option D is correct. That is 221. Understand? Yes. Let us see that next question, ma. Fifth one. If A is equals to, see that. If A is equals to M into P into P into Q. Clear? Next, B is equals to N into P into Q into Q into R. Yes or no? P one time only given, Q two times, and R. The LCM of A and B. Then the LCM of A and B we need to find out. So how to take that LCM of these two numbers, ma? See here. First we have to take that the common ones. P and P. Next P not there, M not there here. Okay, next Q and Q. Okay, first you better to write that common ones or other ones your wish, that is. So what is that left over here? M into, and here the leftover N into the common one P into next P. Here all the numbers we have to write. All the leftover numbers or variables, whatever it may be, all the numbers should be right here. Which number is in repetition, that number only should be right at once. Which numbers are not repeating, which numbers are not having common. Okay, those numbers as it is we have to write here. Okay, without skipping that we have to write all the numbers. So finally this is the answer. Okay, so which option is correct, ma? Here M, N not given, N here, and this is less, 2 times P, Q, R. Mn 2 times P. Yes, M into N, P into P and Q into R. Understood, ma? Which option is correct here? Yes, option B is correct. Okay, let us see that next one. Yes, the traffic lights. See here my next one. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. Okay, respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m. Simultaneously at 7 a.m. then the next change will appear after what time? Okay, so for this type of questions, here you better to take that LCM. What we have to take, ma? LCM here we have to take LCM of the given numbers. So what are the numbers here? LCM of 48, 72, 108 seconds. LCM we need to find out. Okay, see here. 48, 72, 108. These 3 numbers also divisible by 2. Okay, see here, 2 24s 48, 2 36, 2 54. Next again, 2 12s, 2 18s, 2 27s. Next by 3, 3 4s 12, 3 6 are 18, 3 9s 27. Again by 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9. Next 2 2s 4, 2 1s 2, 3. Understood? So what is the LCM here? 2 how many times are given, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times repeated here? 2 power 4 into, next 3 how many times there? 3 times there. 3 cube. Am I clear? Yes. So 2 power 4 which is equals to 16 into 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27. Now take the product. 7 6 are 42, 7 1 7 plus 4 which is equals to 1 1 2. Next 2 6 12, 2 1s 2 plus 1 3, 2 3 4. 432 seconds. What is that, ma? 432 seconds. Here we need to find out. Just to say that what is the meaning of that question? The traffic lights at 3 different roads, 3 different road crossings. The traffic lights, we know that, right? So here those traffic lights are changing for changing after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and next 108 seconds. So one of the change already happened at 7 a.m. Okay, one of the change already happened at 7 a.m. What will be the next change? What will be the time for that next change? Okay, next changing traffic light. What is the time? Okay, that's what they're asking. After how many minutes again the change will be happen, or after how many seconds the change will be happen. Okay, that's what they're asking in the question. Understand, ma? So after how many seconds again change will be happen? After 432 seconds. But as per that options here, we need to change the seconds as minutes. Okay, 432 by 60. Okay, to convert into minutes. Here cancellation, say that, ma. 2 30s, 2 2s 4, 2 16s. Understand? Again cancellations by 3 10s. And here 3 7s 21 72s. Finally 72 by 10 minutes, which is equals to 7.2 minutes, or 7 minutes 2 seconds. 7 minutes 2 seconds. Understand, ma? So as per this one, which option is correct here? Yes, option C is correct. That is 7 minutes 2 seconds. Clear? Yes. Let us see that next question, ma. 7th one. The numbers that should be subtracted respectively from, okay, what numbers should be respectively subtracted from 37, 50 and 123? If their HCF is 12, if their HCF is 12 means, HCF means what? Highest common factor, which means 12 is a factor of 37, 50 and 123. But here actually as per the question. But here what they're asking, we need to subtract one of the number. We need to subtract one of the number from 37 to make that leftover number, to make that resultant number as the product of 12. As the product of 12. Did you understand the concept, ma? Yes. See here, that's why 12 is the HCF, means 12 is the factor of all the numbers, no, given numbers. So, what number we need to subtract? 12 3 is 36. So, 1. If you subtract 37 minus 1, then you will get that 36. 36 is a multiple of multiple of 12. Understand, ma? And in the same way, similarly, here 50. 12 fours 48. 2. Okay, so here remainder is 2. That's why 50 minus 2 is equals to 48. 48 is exactly divisible by 12. So 48 is a multiple of 12 here. Understand? And similarly, the next number, 12 divides 123. 12 tens 120. So the remainder is 3. Finally, 123 minus 3 is equal to 120. 120 is a multiple of 12. That's why 120 is exactly divisible by 12. Did you understand the concept? So what numbers we are subtracting here? What number should be subtracted here? 1, 2, 3. So what numbers we should subtract, ma? 1, 2, 3 numbers we have to subtract from that one. Okay. So here, which option is correct? Option D is correct. That is 1, 2 and 3. Clear, ma? Yes. Next, 8th question. The LCM of two numbers. The LCM of two numbers. The LCM of two primes or co-primes is the product of the given numbers. Understand the concept here, ma? The LCM of two prime numbers or two co-prime numbers. Okay, whatever it may be, what is the LCM of those two numbers? The product of the given numbers is the LCM of that given two primes or two co-primes. Understand? So, as per that one, here the LCM of two numbers A and B, LCM of A and B is A into B, which is equals to AB. Understand? Now here what they are asking, is a multiple of. Is a multiple of. So here say that AB is a multiple of. AB is a multiple of A, B, AB. Understand, ma? A into B. A is a multiple of B. And here, sorry, A is a multiple of AB. B is a multiple of AB. AB is a multiple of AB. Every number is a multiple of itself. Yes or no? Okay. As per that one here, what are the multiples, ma? A comma B, B, A. So here, all these, actually this is AB. Okay, not A comma B, that is AB. Understood? Yes. So here option D is correct. Yes. Next, 9th question say that the product of two co-prime numbers is equal to the, just now we discussed, no, the product of two co-primes is equal to that their LCM. Okay, LCM of two co-primes is the product of given numbers. Is the product of given numbers. Understand, ma? So here what is that answer? Option B is that correct one. Am I clear to you? So children, up to here totally 9 questions they given in that worksheet 5. So up to here worksheet 5 completed. In that next video again we will meet with worksheet 5 year questions. Okay, thank you all.